Most people know dandelion as the common weed that grows in grassy areas, producing a distinguishable yellow flower. Perhaps you've picked dandelions as a child, or you may have tasted it in a drink, but few of us realize just how beneficial the plant is to our health. If you're not using dandelion for medicinal purposes just yet, here are 18 reasons why you should. 1. They're rich in antioxidants. Dandelions contain a high content of antioxidants, which protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants bind to free radicals, preventing them from being able to bind to the cells in our body, where they could lead to accelerated aging, cancer, dementia, and inflammatory disease. 2. They can regulate blood sugar. Recent studies have produced evidence to suggest that dandelions have the power to regulate blood sugar levels. Their antioxidative and anti-inflammatory properties make them effective in naturally treating cases of high or low blood sugar without the need for more intensive treatment or medication. 3. They keep skin healthy. Our skin is the biggest organ in our body, and it's important that we look after it and treat it well. Dandelions offer a natural solution to expensive skincare treatments and medications, providing anti-aging benefits and keeping skin healthy, nourished, and clear. The detoxifying properties of dandelion rid the skin of toxins that clog pores and cause acne, and speed up the skin's natural healing process. 4. They boost the immune system. Nobody wants to be slowed down by a common cold or flu. Dandelions have been found to contain properties that strengthen the immune system and help us to fight off airborne illnesses. Their antimicrobial and antiviral properties can help your body to combat infection, and studies have even found that dandelions can prevent viruses from being able to replicate. 5. They're good for digestion. Poor digestion can lead to a number of unpleasant issues that are frustrating to deal with. Dandelion has actually been used for years to improve appetite and soothe digestive ailments, with some reports suggesting it's a cure for constipation. One study on animals found that dandelion prevented resistance of food moving into the small intestines, making digestion quicker and easier. 6. They fight cancer. Dandelion's immune-boosting properties can help to fight more than just a winter virus. Studies have found that dandelion root extract has the power to cure prostate, lung, and other cancers better than chemotherapy. It can work very quickly on cancer cells, disintegrating them within hours of contact. Scientists still need to research more into the benefit of using dandelion as a treatment for cancer, but the future looks promising. 7. They regulate blood pressure. Bananas aren't the only good source of potassium. It turns out dandelions are too, and that high potassium content has shown real value in regulating blood pressure. Scientists have found that potassium relaxes the walls of our blood vessels, lowering blood pressure and preventing cramping. There have even been studies that link low potassium intake to high blood pressure. So if you don't like bananas, consider dandelion instead. 8. They can assist in weight loss. If you find it difficult to lose weight, it might not be because of what you are eating, but what you're not eating. Dandelion has been found to assist in weight loss in a number of different ways. First, it reduces water weight by causing more frequent urination. One study also proved dandelion's weight loss properties on a chemical level by its ability to affect an enzyme known for dietary fat digestion. 9. They reduce inflammation. Inflammation is our body's natural response to illness, and it often leads to pain, swelling, and discomfort. Dandelion has been found to contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds and bioactive compounds which organically reduce inflammation without the need for non-natural medication. 10. They reduce the risk of infection. Dandelion has actually been used historically for treating a range of infections, from tonsillitis to UTIs and kidney infections. It's thought that dandelion can reduce swelling and even prevent infections from forming in the first place. One study found that women who took a combination of dandelion root and leaf extract were less likely to contract UTIs than those that didn't. 11. They treat constipation. All of us will experience constipation from time to time, often with no good reason why. The best thing to do is to treat it naturally, and drinking dandelion tea has been found to do just that. Because dandelion is a diuretic, it adds more water to the digestive system, helping things to move along more easily. It also stimulates the liver to produce bile, which has been found to indirectly help with constipation. 12. They're good for upset stomachs. If you ever find yourself with a loss of appetite or an upset stomach, dandelion may be your solution. The herb helps digestion to perform as it should do, preventing toxins from re-entering the blood and causing uncomfortable and painful symptoms. Regularly consuming dandelion should help you to get back on the right tracks in no time. 13. They help fight eczema. Eczema is a painful condition that affects around 30% of the population, and finding what works best to treat it can be difficult. Dandelion is a good option because it is natural, so there is no risk that it might react badly with skin and worsen its condition. It can be applied to the skin externally or taken as an internal supplement. 14. They reduce intestinal gas. Eating too many unnatural foods can lead to bloating, an unpleasant feeling that nobody wants to experience for long. Instead of turning to medication, you might want to try dandelion out first. Studies have found that it can dissipate gas out of the intestines, reducing the painful symptoms of bloating. Dandelion also helps your liver to produce more bile, which encourages natural digestion. 15. They have anti-diabetic properties. We already know that dandelions have the power to regulate blood sugar levels, but they're cleverer than that. They can also prevent diabetes. The anti-diabetic properties in dandelion are due to a soluble fiber called inulin. The complex carbohydrates in inulin support the growth of healthy bacteria inside the gastrointestinal tract and increase insulin sensitivity in the blood. 16. They cleanse the liver. The liver plays a bigger role in our bodies than we think it does. In fact, when things aren't right in our liver, a person can experience all number of symptoms, from nausea and fatigue to diarrhea, loss of sight, and skin problems. If your liver is damaged, dandelion has been found to cleanse the damaged area, allowing it to slowly heal and regenerate. 17. They protect the gallbladder. The gallbladder is another organ that dandelion has been used to treat historically. If you have gallstones, gallbladder problems, or kidney problems, certain studies have found that dandelion may be able to improve functioning of these organs, helping to naturally heal them and reduce pain. Studies have even found dandelion to be effective in removing gallstones organically. 18. They prevent UVB damage to the skin. We're all warned of the dangers of UV rays, which can cause everything from premature skin aging to cancer. There are, of course, things we can do ourselves to protect our skin from UV rays, which goes far beyond applying sunscreen. A 2015 study found that dandelion leaf extract can actually protect the skin from free radical-induced aging and prevent skin cells from dying. It isn't known just yet how we might use dandelion for sun protection, but there's plenty of promise in the herb. To conclude, we couldn't live without many of the medications invented today. But now that we're seeing how natural alternatives like dandelion might work better for us, the future of healthcare is set to change. There are so many health benefits provided by dandelions that we would do well not to ignore. Dandelion can be consumed as a supplement, extract, or tea, and it's definitely worth giving the herb a try if you're looking for simpler ways to stay healthy. I hope you have enjoyed this video on health benefits of dandelions. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on amazing health benefits of beetroot juice. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.